Have you ever dreamed of earning $100 online? Imagine waking up to a stream of income making $274 every single day. Sound too good to be true? Well, today's your lucky day because I've got 8 game-changing business ideas that can turn that dream into a reality. We're talking about 8 online business models, each with its own unique approach to generating income. There's something for everyone here. No prior experience is necessary, just a willingness to learn and hustle. With these business models, you'll enjoy low startup costs, flexible work hours, and the potential for passive income. Especially if you're someone seeking financial freedom, there's a path for you to thrive in the digital world. So, make sure to watch till the end. Business Idea 1. Imagine starting a business where you create something once and then sell it forever. Sounds cool, right? That's the power of selling digital products. You just spend a few hours writing an ebook, an online course, or even a fun game, and then you can sell it over and over again. You're not just making any random thing, you're creating an asset that keeps earning you money while you sleep, study, work, or hang out with friends. Now, imagine not having to worry about stocking items or shipping. When somebody buys your digital product, they get it instantly. Your website handles all the delivery. Super simple, right? Starting out is really easy and doesn't cost much at all. Plus, the profit margins can be pretty awesome because your main cost is just your time at the beginning. There's a huge range of products you can create. How-to guides, templates, recipes, and even games. And the best part? You can manage this business from everywhere. Perfect if you love traveling or just prefer working from home. It's all about creating valuable content and using smart marketing strategies to get it out there. Business Idea 2. Have you ever heard about starting an online business with something called UGC? It stands for User-Generated Content. Think of this. Instead of paying big bucks to famous influencers, brands now focus on folks like you to create fresh content for their ads. The cool part? You don't need to be a celebrity or have tons of followers. With UGC, you can literally start with no cash at all. It's all about using your creativity to make videos or photos that brands can use. And there's no need to show your face or blast it on social media unless you want to. Plus, it's super beginner-friendly and interesting. Business Idea 3. You know, sometimes when you're scrolling through YouTube, you stumble upon a channel that seems to have no real person in it. Weird, right? But did you know these faceless YouTube channels are making quite big bucks? They're part of the trend known as YouTube automation, where videos are made using stock footage, voiceover, or AI-generated kinds of stuff. Think about motivational speeches, travel tips, and even educational content, all made without anyone showing their face. Take a peek at one of these channels like Alux. It's earning thousands of bucks per day just by telling a story and putting together simple videos. If you can compile simple videos and add voiceovers, you can earn as much as you want. With the right tips and tricks, starting your own channel is a piece of cake. And the best news? It's practically free to start. Whether you want to share your passion for gaming, cooking, or anything, name it all. YouTube automation could be your way to earn some serious cash. Business Idea 4. Have you ever heard of affiliate marketing? It's like having a side hustle, but without all the hassle of starting a business at all. Basically, you make money by recommending products or getting folks to buy stuff from someone else's store. Think of it like this. You share a link to a cool product that you love. Someone clicks on it, buys the item, and you get a commission for the sale. Easy, right? It's perfect if you're not into the whole starting your own business thing, but still want to earn some cash online. You don't need to set up a store or anything. Just put in some upfront work and watch the money roll in. Business Idea 5. So, let's talk about dropshipping. Imagine you want to start selling stuff online, but you don't have a bunch of products lying around. And you definitely don't want to deal with shipping. That's where dropshipping comes in. With dropshipping, you act as the middleman. You find customers who want to buy something, and you connect them with a supplier who has the product. Your job is to make those sales, and the supplier takes care of shipping the product to the customer. The cool thing is, you don't need to worry about stocking inventory or handling shipping. It's like running a store without the hassle of storing goods or shipping them out yourself. Business Idea 6. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own clothing line or selling products online without the hassle of inventory, then print on demand is your answer. You can sell shirts, hoodies, mugs, socks, whatever you fancy. Suppliers have got you covered. Simply decide on what you want to sell and your brand's purpose. Then start marketing and making sales. It's a zero-commitment online business model perfect for budding entrepreneurs. And if you're an artist, this is a great platform to earn while showcasing your designs. You can sell your art as digital files or print it on clothing. The possibilities are endless. For inspiration, browse Etsy. You'll find a ton of ideas to kickstart your print-on-demand journey. So why wait? Start now. Business Idea 7. So, let's talk about inventory e-commerce. Imagine you're starting your own online store, but instead of just selling stuff, you're actually stocking up on products yourself. You see, the cool thing about this setup is that you have total control. You're not relying on some supplier to ship things out for you. Nope, you're handling everything from start to finish. Now, sure, it's a bit of a risk because you've got to invest in your own inventory up front. But here's the deal. If you're confident in your vision and your ability to market your products, this can really pay off big time. Think about it like this. You're not just selling stuff, you're building a community around your brand. People are drawn to your business because they can see the passion and effort you put into it. Sure, it's not a walk in the park. There are some difficulties and risks involved, especially with managing inventory and shipping. But hey, nothing worth doing is ever easy, right? Here's another thing. With inventory e-commerce, you're in control of every little detail, from packaging to shipping. That personal touch, that's what sets you apart from all the competition. So yeah, it's a bit of a hustle, but if you're willing to put in the work, the potential for success is huge. Plus, with all the tools and resources available nowadays, it's easier than ever to get started. So, go ahead, take that leap, and start building your own inventory e-commerce empire. Who knows? You might just be the next big thing in online retail. Business Idea 8. Alright, so let's talk about content creation. A cool business model that you might not have considered. You don't have to be an influencer with millions of followers to make this work. Think about what you love doing. If you're into cooking, why not start a cooking channel? It's not just about YouTube. You can use TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. There are endless options. Here's the deal. Social media is all about sharing. You make one awesome piece of content and spread it everywhere, and guess what? You can make money from it. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, they all have ways for you to cash in. But here's the trick. Stick to one thing. Don't be all over the place posting about everything in your life. Pick your niche. Cooking, pets, math tutorials, and go all in. That's how you build a loyal audience, and that's how you make some serious cash. So, if you're thinking about diving into content creation, remember to focus and stay consistent. It's not just about posting, it's about building something awesome and getting paid for it. With the right approach, you can turn your passion into an income stream. Bonus tips. Now, you've got this amazing online store or website, but if you can't get people to notice it or buy from it, then it's all for nothing. That's where understanding the social media algorithms come in. Now, let me share this little secret with you. As I said, you don't have to be a famous influencer or an expert to make it big online. Success doesn't happen overnight. You've got to have faith and be patient. You don't have to ditch your day job to start an online hustle. What you need is to invest some time each day, maybe an hour or two, to work on your side hustle. Consistency is key. Once you start, keep at it, and don't be afraid to switch things up if needed. That's the beauty of being an entrepreneur. You're the captain of your ship. The world of online business offers boundless opportunities for those willing to take a step. The key to success lies in dedication and consistency. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. But with persistence and the right strategies, your online business dreams can become a reality. If you find this video helpful, please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. Until next time!